Happy morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about second standard EVS term 1, unit 1, topic our environment. What is environment, children? Environment means our surrounding landscape. Repeat again, children. Environment means our surrounding landscape. Before class we will learn the topic forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Just recall this topic, children. A forest has large number of trees. The ground is covered with bushes and grass. It is home to many animals and birds. Animals like bears, elephant, lion, tiger, zebra and snakes. Birds like peacock, sparrow, parrot, dove and woodpeckers. And what are the uses of forest, children? Trees gives us shade and we get wood, honey, fruits, rubbers and many other things we got forest. Okay, children, now all are there with forest, children. Now let's learn about plains and hill. What is plain, children? Okay, let me explain to you. A plain is a flat land area. For example, where we are standing now, is it plain? It is warmer than the hill. Here you see a flat land area. It is warmer than hills. Children, flat land area, it's called plain. You see farmers are walking in the field. Yes. Yeah, growing crops. Plains are important for growing crops. Farms get water from the rain, rivers, lakes and pond. What is plain, children? A plain is a flat land. Are you understand, children? A plain is a flat land. It is warmer than the hills. Plains are important for growing crops. We can get our food from plains. Farms get water from the rain, rivers, lake, ponds and wells. In plains we can see many animals such as cow, dog, goat, buffalo, cock, hen, duck and birds. Children, we called these animals as domestic animals. Are you understand, children? In plains we can see many animals such as cow, dog, goat, buffalo, cock, hen, duck and birds. We called these animals as domestic animals. Okay, children, are you understand? Now let's learn hill. Spell the word H-I-L-L, hill. A hill is like a mountain but not a so height. Hills are generally green and beautiful. It is also much cooler than the plains. People visit the hill station especially in summer. For example, Ooty and Kodaikanal. Okay, children, look at this picture. This hill looks as if steps have been made on it. Crabs are growing in the step forms. Do you know, children? This one is step forms, also called as terrace form. Tea and coffee are grown on some hills. For example, Ooty and Kodaikanal. Do you know, children? Udaigamandalam, Ooty is called the Queen and Kodaikanal is called the Princess of the Hill Station in Tamil Nadu. Our state animal, the Nilagiri Thar, is found in the Nilagiri mountains. Ooty is called the Queen and Kodaikanal is called the Princess of the hill station in Tamil Nadu. Okay, children, are you understand? That's the end of the topic. We will continue on tomorrow. Thank you, children.